So we got temperatures well into the 80s outside. We're at 83 in Idaho Falls, 84 Pocatello, and just a bit ago we did tie a record in Idaho Falls, getting to 85 going back to 1988. So we didn't smash a record, we didn't smatter the records, but we're getting close outside, and we keep this trend going for the next couple of days. The wind will stay with us here. Here's why. We have an area of low pressure in the northwest. The jet stream is here to our west, and that's drawing up hot and windy conditions. As this low inches a little closer, the wind will continue to blow. And then by later this week, Hurricane Amanda, which is out here off the Mexican and Central American coastline, which is just starting to get here to the tip of Baja California. This is not expected to really affect landmass at all, or really by the time it hits Mexico, it's going to be a tropical depression. But we do have Hurricane Amanda. That moisture, the leftovers of Hurricane Amanda, will join us by this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, getting into the later half of the weekend, into the weekend. This will be our, I would say, guest, would be our guest, and the leftovers Amanda will be with us, and that will embed thunderstorms, and we'll see the elevated humidity levels. We're going to see the threat for thunderstorms really pick up here getting into Saturday and Sunday. So Vipercast pretty clear tonight. For tomorrow around 5 o'clock, I do see some thunderstorms around Lemhi County for salmon. You have a slight chance there. Also Island Park, West Yellowstone, you do have a slight chance of a thunderstorm there. So we're going to be looking for scattered showers and thunderstorms popping in for tomorrow afternoon near the Montana border. Wednesday afternoon, slight chance of a thunderstorm in western Wyoming around Jackson Hole and around Lincoln County. We could see a couple storms. But Thursday rolls around, the thunderstorm threat very low here. It's not really until Friday, Saturday, and Sunday then Hurricane Amanda starts coming through. 46 in Salmon tonight, 46 also in Idaho Falls, 45 for Rexburg, upper 30s in Jackson Hole. Fairly mild conditions, again, because we're looking at temperatures holding on to some of that warmth from the day, I'd say today, and then we're going to be holding on to some mild temperatures overnight. Lows around 42 for Afton, 40 for Pinedale. Highs tomorrow coming back, and we're into the 80s. 80 for Soda Springs, 82 in Preston, 85 for Pocatello, and we're looking at the mid-80s for Blackfoot, mid-80s also in Burley, American Falls, lower to mid-80s in IF, 81 for Rexburg, 74 in Island Park, 76 in Jackson, 83 for Rigby, and 80 in Salmon and Chow. So it's going to be quite warm here as we get through that 8-day outlook. Now let's go through the next 8 to 10 days. You're noticing temperatures here even a bit warmer on Wednesday. We're pushing to around 85 as we get around Wednesday afternoon, and it's going to stay quite windy. Thursday, there's a break in the wind, but that's ahead of the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday storms. This weekend, it's going to be a bit cooler on Sunday and getting into next week as some of that cooler air and that northwest low finally settles on in. So we're looking for dropping temperatures next week, back closer to the average range. Rexburg, 83 for a high Wednesday, 75 on Thursday. Quite windy here for the next couple of afternoons with wind gusts over 30 miles an hour. Pocatello, definitely you'll need the sunblock and shorts and flip-flops in order for Wednesday, as highs will be near 90 in Pocatello, but still quite windy. That's going to temper things a bit there, so look for a windy, warm afternoon for Wednesday. Then we go here into Blackfoot, highs here near 90 for Wednesday afternoon. We're looking at temperatures here getting into the lower 80s by Friday and Saturday. And Jackson, we're hitting highs here at around 76 for Tuesday, 79 on Wednesday, 73 for Thursday. And we're looking at some windy conditions here for the next couple of days. Quickly, let's go to Island Park. We'll look for highs here at 74 for Tuesday and Wednesday, 70 on Thursday. We do have a slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow in Island Park, also in Salmon. You can see a couple thunderstorms tomorrow with a high of 80. So now let's go back out live to Century High School. Todovic is now with me back here, and we're going back out live if we can. The POWMIA has just rolled in, and they fired up their cycles. We heard them kind of